All right, guys, this is what your screen looks like in Edulastic. When you click on assignments, it takes you here to all. In the middle, we have assignments that are not started. And then here on the end, it tells you which assignments are in progress. So these are the ones that you've started, but you never actually finished. Okay. If you're looking for something specific, you can click over here and select the exact class. So for example, if I know that there's something missing from science, I would click in science and it'll tell me all the assignments from science class that are missing and how late they are. Okay, so here I started the DNA mutations, but I did not finish. Okay, I didn't start chromosomes and alleles. And then I also didn't start sexual reproduction. Okay, so again, these are the ones that I'm looking for specifically for science.